I just wanted to send you guys a quick video to show you this Santa's Workshop Specialty Designer Series paper. Just to show the cool flocking it has on the, it's kind of textured, so the pieces of the paper that are popped up, like the snowflakes on this paper, they feel like velvet. They're three-dimensional and they're like flocked, I guess is the word. They're super cute. It's like a velvety. There's 2 pieces of each design in the pack, and they're double-sided. This one has the cute rocking horse and the elves. One side is like really busy and the other side is like the same image over and over. But yeah, this paper is super cute. I'm gonna have fun making something today. The striped candy cane, super cute. And you can kind of see it's like a velvety texture. Has a little bit of glitter in it. And then these cute bows on the other side. Super cute. And then these, the sled. This one too. It's like a flocked. The hat has the flocking on it. It is so adorable. Candy canes on the other side. I hope you guys like this paper. It's super cute. Have a good day crafting. Bye.